Hey viewers, howdy. In the previous episode, our dear Bill walked us through the distinction between the booking and billing processes. Let us pick Bill's brain today on the billing process and understand the invoice management capabilities of Salesforce billing. By the way, we have already covered good ground in this series so far. If you have missed any of our previous episodes, be sure to check out our YouTube channel, where you will find all of them under the Salesforce Billing Mastery playlist. Okay, Billing Sensei, are you ready to shed some light on the invoice management capabilities of Salesforce billing?
Absolutely, Ethan. But before we get started and go too far on that topic, let me ask you this. Do you know the difference between the concept of billing in advance and billing in arrears?
Well, I would love to hear from you.
Perfect. Then why don't we discuss that in this episode and in the upcoming episode, discuss the invoice management capabilities specific to Salesforce billing?
I think that makes perfect sense. Can you please help me understand the difference between the two?
Sure thing. The distinction between billing in advance and billing in arrears is crucial in understanding how customers are charged for their usage. Let me break it down for you with some examples. In billing in advance, customers are billed for the upcoming period or subscription term before they use the services or consume the resources. Essentially, they pay up front for the anticipated usage. This model is commonly used in subscription-based services or prepaid plans. Let's consider an example of a cloud storage subscription. Suppose you offer a cloud storage service, and customers can purchase a monthly subscription plan for 100 gigabytes of storage at $10 per month. When a customer signs up on July 1st, they are billed $10 for the entire month of July upfront, irrespective of whether they fully utilize the 100 gigabytes during that month. If they use only 50 gigabytes, they've already paid for the full 100 gigabytes in advance.
Okay, I think I get the idea. So, the customer pays for the service before using it.
That's right. Advance billing is when a customer is charged for a product or service before or at the start of the billing cycle. This is common in subscription-based services such as Netflix, Amazon Prime, Spotify, and Microsoft Office 365, where customers pay up front for a month or year of service. The advantage of advance billing is that the company receives payment before providing the product or service, which helps with cash flow and reduces the risk of non-payment.
That makes complete sense. What about billing in arrears?
Great question, Ethan. Billing in arrears, also known as pay-as-you-go, or consumption billing, works differently. Consumption billing is a billing model where customers are charged based on their actual usage or consumption of a product or service. This model is commonly used in utility industries such as electricity or water, cloud services such as data storage, and the telecommunication industry for data usage or minutes consumed. In consumption billing, the charges are directly related to the amount of resources used or the level of service consumed. This is different from traditional flat rate or fixed fee billing, where customers are charged a predetermined amount regardless of their actual usage, as discussed previously.
Can you please give me a specific example for consumption billing?
Sure. Let us take an example of data usage in a mobile plan. Consider a mobile service provider offering a data plan at $20 per month with a rate of 10 cents per megabyte of data used. If a customer uses 500 megabytes of data during the billing cycle from July 1st to July 31st, they will be charged in arrears for the actual data consumption. So, the bill generated on 1st of August will be $20 for the monthly subscription fee for the month of August, which is billed in advance, plus $50 for the 500 megabytes of data consumed during July, charged at 10 cents per megabyte.
I see the difference now. In billing in advance, the customer pays upfront for the service regardless of usage, while in billing in arrears, they may pay for the flat rate subscription fee in advance, but for the consumption services, they're charged after using the service based on actual consumption.
Exactly. Each billing model has its pros and cons. Billing in advance provides a predictable revenue stream and allows you to secure upfront payments, but you may need to handle refunds or credits if customers don't fully utilize the services they paid for. On the other hand, billing in arrears offers flexibility to customers as they pay only for what they use, but it might require more effort in tracking usage and following up on payments.
That clears things up. One more question though. Can Salesforce billing handle both billing in advance and billing in arrears scenarios?
Absolutely. Salesforce billing is designed to handle both billing models seamlessly.
Could you elaborate on this, please?
Wait, did you even notice? I have dressed down because it's Friday today? I can't wait to go to happy hour and enjoy my drink. Why don't we have a detailed discussion in the next episode?
I can practically hear those ice cubes clinking already. But seriously, Bill, I'm glad we're keeping it light today. After all, it's Friday, and what's better than a bit of billing banter and a well-deserved drink to end the week?
You nailed it, my eager learner. A little laughter, a dash of learning, and a splash of fun, that's the recipe for a perfect Friday wrap-up. So, here's to surviving the billing trenches and embracing the joys of happy hour.
Cheers to that, Bill. Can't wait for our upcoming episodes, where we plan to cover invoice management, billing adjustments, revenue recognition, and everything under the sun that concerns a Salesforce billing implementation. It's gonna be legendary.
You bet. Until then, let's raise our glasses to Salesforce Billing, the billing maestro that orchestrates our invoicing symphony, turns complexity into simplicity, and transforms billing blues into billing bliss.
Cheers to the magical world of seamless billing and to many more happy episodes of Billing Mastery.